Welcome to Mods and Reviews. My name is Brady, and this is the Solstice Eclipse 10-watt portable foldable solar panel. It is 10 watts charging. It's ideal for maybe charging up your phone or laptop. Uh, Keep in mind though, 10 watts isn't very much, so it's going to take some time, uh, especially with 10 watts. There are, of course, larger panels out there. The more power, the better. Me personally, what I use it for is camping trips and stuff like that. When I'm out somewhere when there's no electricity, I can easily overcome that by charging a 12-volt battery, running an inverter, and running everything to it. It does fold up quite nicely, and you got these little things here, so you can easily strap this on your backpack if you're out hiking or on a trek for a long time. Certainly what people buy these for the most is just charging cell phones, stuff like that. You see how it folds up right there, and then flip it over, and it came with a bunch of accessories and stuff like that, and I keep some manuals in there for quick reference. Anyways, you can strap it on a bag. It's real lightweight. And of course you have to get this if you're going to be connecting to a battery. This is your charge controller here. This one's Instapark. I can't remember what I spent on it. It's on Amazon. But it's got a nice little universal fitter adapter there. And a couple extensions I've acquired. And of course you have to have the some sort of a deep state battery, 12-volt battery. That way, you know, if it discharges too much, it's not going to damage the battery. So got that one at Batteries Plus, I believe. Deep cycle battery. And then of course the inverter. Now normally what I would probably be doing in an off-grid situation is I'd be charging this battery bank, which I'll show you in a minute, but I also have this little solar battery charger here, and some more batteries. There's more inside, which I'm going to show you. Normally it'd be hooked up, but it's plugged in. It's charging some D batteries right now, so I didn't want to unplug it. Anyways, so then there's a little solar light there, and then this, I wasn't expecting it, but this actually came with the solar panel, which was pretty cool. So I thought it was definitely a good deal. I wasn't expecting to get that, but you can leave this in your car, or just leave it out in the sun, leave it in the window, and it is a solar charging thing. You can plug in your phone and recharge a phone or tablet. You can also charge it just by directly plugging in the wall, which goes a lot faster. But if it's the type of thing you just leave out from day to day, you'll probably never run out of power. And then these are the rest of my battery stuff right here. So this is pretty much universal. That solar one didn't take the 9-volt batteries, but this one does. And then a nice little tester right here. That's just good to have, to know that all your batteries are functioning properly. And this all fits in one ammo can, aside from the battery charger and the batteries. But the entire solar panel's setup will fit in one can, and the second part will fit in the second can. So you got 2 ammo cans. You can load up your gear, and then it's actually going to be shielded from like an EMP and stuff like that, where you definitely need your gear to be ready in a situation like that, because that's what it's
4, most likely. So in any case, that's my setup there. Definitely could use some more batteries, but I try to have enough that at least I could cycle them out, or swap out. That way, in a grid down situation, I hopefully wouldn't run out of power altogether.
Overall, I really like the Solstice Eclipse. Back when I bought it, which was several years ago, price was a factor. I would recommend it. These are my likes. It's small, lightweight, portable power. And my dislikes, 10 watts. It takes a long time to charge, obviously. But overall, it wins because of the basic functionality. Once again, this is the Solstice Eclipse, and those are my thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This video is powered by Ray's Media Studio in Katy, Texas, West Houston area. They do video, audio production, and photography, as well as graphic design. Thank you for watching.